may technique. Original.
Parang mas konti yung
Baka pati tissue makain mo ha.
baka tama.
Ayaw na agad.
Original. See, his style's a little different. Yeah. Fill yourself up with soda. Easy. Easy. Big old tomato, huh?
Wow.
Tama,
Easy,
tama.
Jeanette. Easy. Don't throw up.
Oh, it's smoking hot.
Shaking.
Relax.
Sabi yung audience eh. Marami pang time mo. 4 minutes pa.
Tulungan ka na siya, go.
Lagyan mo ng lettuce. Lettuce. Ayan.
So we got
Tama.
that's one
Parang
paki left.
ginawa siyang beer.
255 peso burger. The ultimate challenge. 3 patties, thick tomatoes, lettuce, cheese, the works. Finish in 5 minutes and it's free.
Hindi mo na napit ang record. One more patty.
Ayan, kaya. Saklop mo na yung isa.
patty sa kaning vegetable.
Hindi, saklop mo na. Saklop mo na.
Oo, sabay-sabay mo na.
2 minutes and 30 seconds left.
Dami pang time.
Kunain mo na yung patty. Then with the bun and
Baka ka nang kumakain ng salad.
Kaya mo pa rin. You get that mayonnaise too.
Ayos.
Ayos!
May technique ko para hindi maumay.
Ayos.
Don't look at the clock.
Oo, marami pa. Meron pang beses. Huwag mo na.
3 more minutes.
Oo. 3 pa. 3 minutes. Go. Yan. Sakto na. Sakto.
Take a chew.
Grabe.
Inhale.
Come on.
Yan na.
Kaya.
Don't drink water.
Yan, sakto yan. 1 minute.
Go to there!
Galing. Ang galing.
Kaya.
2 minutes.
You have plenty of time.
Kaya na. Saklop mo na. Saklop mo na.
1 minute and 15 seconds.
Huwag mo nang lulukin.
Saklop na. Saklop na.
Hindi makapal yung bun.
Ha?
Woo! Little bun.
1 more minute.
Kaya.
The future of your vlog is in your hands. If you lose, we will shut down your vlog. Oh my God! Start to say it. You can do it.
Kaya.
Go, 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 go.
Kaya.
38 seconds.
32.
Come on.
Konti na lang.
Only 4 seconds. You can do this. The vlog will be shut down.